Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Lazada Wallet. So this is fast and easy guys. So first, let's go to Lazada and then go to your account in the bottom right. And then as you can see, this last fin, this one here, and just click that one and then click wallet. As you can see, I have 48. So click wallet and then click withdraw. And then click which account you want to withdraw. For in my case, this 48 pesos is from my refunds, so I'll just choose this one and then proceed. And then you can add your bank account here, or you can withdraw through GCash or any bank you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.